everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're back in the kitchen because I'm going to be showing you an awesome recipe and snack idea to have before you go to bed. This is going to be extremely high in protein, and it's also going to be very easy to make. This recipe is absolutely awesome. Every time I have it, I honestly feel like I'm cheating on my diet, but I'm not. It's the most macro-friendly thing out there, like I mentioned. It's extremely easy and high in protein. So I want to go over what you're going to be needing for this recipe. It's actually what we're going to be making is we're going to be making a chocolate peanut butter banana pudding or ice cream, depending on which variation you want to go with. And I've tried both, and they're absolutely awesome. So in terms of whether or not you're cutting or bulking, I'll be providing you with some options. If you are cutting, ways kind of that you can incorporate some of the ingredients to reduce the calories, or maybe you're bulking and you want to go with the other ingredients. So I'm going to give you two different variations, a cutting variation and a bulking variation. So starting off with the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a blender, and then we're going to be going with banana for our carb source. I will put up all the macros on the screen as well, and I'll also put the total at the end so you can see. So we're going to need a banana. The next ingredient is going to be cottage cheese. We're going to be using 1 cup or 250 grams of cottage cheese. I know you might be thinking right off the bat that I don't like cottage cheese, but honestly you cannot even taste it when you blend in all the ingredients. It just goes together and it tastes absolutely awesome. And the reason why we're using cottage cheese is because it's a casein type protein, so it's extremely slow digesting, which is going to kind of keep you anabolic while you sleep. So that's going to be our main protein source. Then we're going to be going with protein powder. This is going to be chocolate protein powder. And in terms of if you're cutting, I actually do a half a scoop to kind of reduce the calories. If you are bulking, then definitely go with a full scoop. This is really going to add that chocolate flavor. However, if you don't got chocolate, what you can do is you can actually use vanilla. And in order to kind of make the vanilla a little bit more, bring in a little bit more chocolate, what you can do is you can actually use these not refrigerated jello, sort of these jello powders. As you can see here, this is the fat-free one. There's only 35 calories for 10 grams, which is actually quite a bit. So this is actually awesome for flavoring your vanilla protein powder. And if you don't want to use that, you can actually use cocoa and a little bit of stevia. That works great as well if you do have a vanilla. But in this recipe, I'd highly recommend a chocolate protein powder. And then the next ingredient, what we're going to be using is we're going to be using peanut butter. Once again, if you are cutting, I am going with the powdered peanut butter. This stuff is absolutely amazing in it. You can't really taste the difference between this peanut butter and the regular peanut butter. The only thing might be the consistency, but honestly the taste is still there, so this is awesome. There's half the calories in this versus normal peanut butter. So if you are cutting, go with the powdered peanut butter, and if you're bulking, then I would definitely recommend going with the peanut butter just for that added consistency. And the final ingredient is going to be a little bit of almond milk. The point of this recipe is to have that thick consistency. So what I would do first is I always add the ingredients first and try to blend it up and see how that works. And as I go, if I need to add a little bit of almond milk to kind of help the blender go, that's what I do. And if you are cutting, like I said, I would go with almond milk because it's less calories. But if you are bulking, then go with whole milk. That would work just fine as well. But like I mentioned before, you do want that thick consistency, so you definitely don't want to add a lot of this, just like literally like a pinch.
Alright, so this is what it looks like after you take it out of the fridge, after it's been in there for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can see it kind of thickens up. The consistency is a little bit thicker, and this is absolutely awesome. It's almost like a bedtime dessert, and it's extremely high in protein, so definitely give this one a try. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope everybody enjoyed it, and definitely give this recipe a try. It really helps to keep you anabolic while you sleep, and honestly I've been having cottage cheese before I went to bed for probably about 2 years now. It's something that I'm able to stick with, and I kind of changed the recipe up, but honestly this is something that peanut butter and the banana and the chocolate just really go together, and honestly it tastes like a dessert. Yeah, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and definitely turn on the bell notifications. I want to make sure you guys get notified every time I drop a new video, and definitely drop the video a like. I do appreciate all the support and the feedback. Definitely goes a long way, and I'll catch everybody in the next one. Alright, peace out.